Hi Dayton. Today I'm going to go over your writing lessons this week. And you're using Google Slides, which I gave you last week at the end of the week, and a lot of you had a hard time figuring out what you were supposed to do. And in turn, most of you did not do your writing assignment last week. So I'm hoping that this video helps you to figure out how to do this assignment. So I'm using Jose's Google Classroom so you can see what it looks like from a kid's point of view. So I'm in his classwork, and I'm going down to writing lessons and assignments for the week, and obviously I'm starting with number 1. So I'm pressing on his assignment. I'm going to read what I'm doing. I gave you some directions. You're working on acrostic poems. You need to make sure you click where it says click 3 times or triple click. And an important thing that I said is do not mark this assignment as done until you are 100% done with this assignment. So I'm going to go into his Google Slides. So I see this is just an intro to acrostic poems. And over here, I see all the slides. That's where you're going to move from slide to slide. So I read the first one. Now I'm moving down to the second one. It's giving me more examples of an acrostic poem. Now I'm going to move down to number 3. It says, read this acrostic poem, then answer the question. So I'm going to read the poem, and then I see 1, 2, 3, 4. And it says, click your mouse 3 times to type. So I'm clicking it, 1, 2, 3. I'm messing up. Okay, so now I can backspace this, and I can write my answers. I'm going to delete that, though, for Jose, because he doesn't want that on his answers. So let me go back so that it says click your mouse. Okay, so all of these white spots that say click your mouse 3 times, you need to click on them, delete, click your mouse 3 times to type, and write your answers in. So I'm going to move down, though. Oh, I see that again where it says triple click to type. So I know I'm typing something there, and I'm moving down. I see a lot of white stuff. So you're typing your word and you're typing your text. You're going to read all of the directions. And I'm going to move down to my last, not my last slide, number 6. Check for these things. It's just your checklist to make sure you've done all of it. And then your last one is just saying that you finished. So going through all of the slides, you need to type wherever you see the white stuff. And make sure you're reading all of the directions on there so that way you're doing it correctly. So let's say he's done. So I'm going to exit out of his Google Slides. So I'm going to go back to his writing lesson. It says view assignment. So he's done the whole thing. Here's his Google slide. Now he's going to mark turn in. So he does not do that, though, until he's done the entire thing, because once it's pressed as turn in, you cannot work on it anymore. But the cool thing about Google Slides is that you can come back to it. Say you only want to do a couple slides a day. You can just do 2 slides and then exit out, and your work will still be there. So it saves for you automatically. But once you press this purple button, turn in, you can no longer come back to this assignment. So that's how you're going to do the first assignment. And then I'll post another video for the second assignment.